To this comprehensive tutorial on Intercom CRM, your go to platform for efficient and engaging customer support in 2025. Whether you're new to Intercom or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essentials of using Intercom to manage customer interactions, streamline workflows, and improve customer satisfaction. So, before we begin, first, what is Intercom? Intercom is a customer communication platform that combines CRM capabilities with live chat, email automation, and knowledge base management. Designed for businesses of all sizes, Intercom provides a unified inbox for customer support teams, enabling seamless communication across multiple channels. With Intercom, you can proactively engage your customers, resolve their issues quickly, and gain actionable insights into their needs, all while personalizing their experience. So, now let's get started. So, first, if you want to start with the free trial, you can always do so by clicking on Start the Free Trial. So, simply sign up for an account, and you will now be redirected to this page right here. And from here, as you can see, you need to answer these questions so that Intercom can tailor your experience. So, first, what matters most to your team? So, you can select from these options right here. So, say I want to select marketing campaigns, click on continue. So, do you already have or use a customer support tool? So, let's just click on no. So which support channels do you prefer? So we can select all that apply there, click on continue. Now, how many customer conversations do you expect per month? Let's say about 500 to 1000. And now, do you manage your support team? Let's just click on yes. And when will you start using Intercom? So let's say within a month and click on continue. And now Intercom will now be customizing your setup. Now this is how Intercom CRM will look like. So you have this get started page right here to get you set up. So as you can see, there are 4 steps right here, such as installing the messenger to connect with your customers, to invite your teammates to collaborate faster, to add content to power your AI and help center, and of course, set an outbound message live. So now what you want to do first is simply follow all of this get started steps, which is first get install the messenger to connect with your customers. So click right here. You'll now be redirected to your settings. So from here, if you're using the web, you just need to click right here. See these is the tutorial or instructions on how to install the Messenger on your site or app. So first choose how to install the Messenger. So you can either use a code snippet, use React, Angular, Vue, Ember, and all of these platforms. Now you want to configure your code snippet. So you can choose to install the Messenger on a site or app, or install it on a site or landing page that doesn't identify visitors. So you can select for here for users with logins or for website visitors without logins. Next is you will see all of the steps. You will see this code right here. Now to display the messenger using custom interactions, you can refer to their developer docs. Now you want to click here to check installation. And as you can see, there's a next step right here. So again, just follow all of these steps to install the messenger to your Intercom CRM. Now let's just go back. Next, after installing, you can always invite your teammates to work faster here. Now click on invite teammates. So simply enter their email and click here on send invite. They will now be notified via email, and when they accept, they can now use the Intercom platform with you. Next is you can add content to power your AI and help center. So click here. So as you can see from here, you can use AI generated snippets to fill content gaps. You can use public articles. You can use internal articles and conversations right here. So you can either add articles or simply sync or import your current contents. So as you can see, we have the content section right here. You'll see all of your contents right here. So we have the our first folder where we can see all of our new contents right there. So you can always organize where to put all of your contents in a folder or a subfolder. Next is setting an outbound message live. So as you can see, you can set the message live. So start with a popular template. So we have templates right here for chat, for emails, or for product tours. Of course, we all have a bunch of different templates right here. So let's say your channel is Messenger or your website or mobile. Of course, they have a bunch of different templates you can use right here. So next, let's just explore these features right here. For AI and automation. As you can see, we have the Fin AI agent. So you can set up this AI for yourself. So you can add contents right here. So you have content suggestions. You also have the custom answers that, of course, you can always create one by clicking here on the top right. As you can see, you can choose the language, use your questions, and basically this is the automation feature of Intercom CRM. We can also create workflows and sample automations. So from here, you can set a workflow live to automate repetitive tasks at scale. So you can get started again with their templates. So they have a bunch of different templates that you can use. So as you can see right here, and they have these simple automations. And next is let's go to reports. So from here, you'll just see a bunch of different performance metrics to see how is your business or your project is going on. See all reports, conversation topics, AI and automation. Next is contacts. So from here, you can always add new contacts or leads, and you'll see them all right in this page. And we have the inbox and the outbox feature, but you'll need to upgrade your subscription to use this feature. So that's basically how you can use Intercom CRM. So basically that's it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.